Hello students, welcome to the session of Heron's formula. Exercise 12.2 continuation only, 7th problem. A kite is in the shape of a square with a diagonal 32 cm and an isosceles triangle of base 8 cm and side 6 cm. Each is to be made of 3 different shades. How much paper of each shade has been used in it? First we calculate the ABD value, that is first part. Then we have to calculate BCD. ABD and BCD equal only, and then we have to calculate the CEF value. So here we have to calculate the first ABD value. Actually what is given? A kite is in the shape of a square is given and the diagonal value is 32 cm also mentioned. So we just use the diagonal value, that is suppose you take the value diagonal 32 means AC also 32. So what is the AO value? That is half of 32, no? So that is 16. So easily we have to calculate the triangle ABD value. First write the given. A kite is in the shape of square. Okay. First we are going to calculate the first part. Actually the first part is area of triangle ABD. Here the diagonal value is given now. Diagonal BD equal to what is given? 32 cm is given. Diagonal BD is equal to 32. Now automatically the diagonal is AC also 32. So what about OA value? That is half of 32. That is 16 cm. Now we are going to calculate the area of triangle ABD. Area of triangle ABD is equal to normal formula, half into base into height square units. So what is the base value? Actually base is BD and the height is OA. Apply the values, half into the base value 32 and the OA value, that is height value 16. Cancel these two values. 16 are 256. What is the value? That is centimeter? No, centimeter square. So area of a triangle ABD value 256 centimeter square. Area of first part shade is equal to area of the second part shade, that is actually 256 centimeter square only. Next we are going to calculate the triangular shade 3. That is isosceles triangle is mentioned now. So A value is 8 cm and the equal side values are B and C 6 cm. Now we have to calculate the area of a third part using Heron's formula. For that first we calculate the semi-perimeter of a triangle. What is the semi-perimeter formula? A plus B plus C by 2. So 8 plus 6 plus 6 divided by 2. So what is the value? That is 20 by 2, 10 cm. So S value is 10 cm. Next we are going to calculate area of a triangle. Area of a triangular part, that is third part. Okay. What is the formula? Square root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. Apply the S value and A, B, C values. So S value is 10. So 10 into 10 minus 8 into 10 minus 6 into 10 minus 6. Apply the square root also. Now 10 into 2 into 4 into 4. So what is the value? How can we split the value? 5 into 2 into 2 into 4 square only. So 4 square means we directly take the value 4 out of the square root. Then 2 also we have 5 value. So 8 root 5. Apply the 5 value, square root of 5 value, that is 2.24, no. So 2.24. Multiply the value, we get the value 17.92 centimeter square. This is actually third part value. So required area of paper. Required area of paper for shade 1. Shade 1 is equal to shade 2 is equal to actually 256 centimeter square. What is the third part value? that is 17.92 centimeter square. That's all. Next problem. A floral design on a floor is made up of 16 tiles which are triangular. The sides of the triangle being 9 cm, 28 cm and 35 cm. Find the cost of polishing the tiles at the rate of 50 paise per centimeter square. Actually, one tile design is given, that is actually floral design on a floor is made up of 16 tiles. This is actually the shape that is also given, and the values are also given 9 cm, 28 cm and 35 cm value also given. Finally, we have to calculate the cost of polishing the tiles at the rate of 50 paise per centimeter square. We have to calculate. So, first write the given, that is A is equal to 9 cm, B equal to 28 cm and C is equal to 35 cm. First, we calculate the semi-perimeter of a triangle. What is the formula? A plus B plus C divided by 2. So, add the value 9 plus 28 plus 35 divided by 2. So, just add the value. What is the answer? 72 by 2. 72 by 2, that is 36. So, S value 36 centimeter. Next, using Heron's formula, calculate the area of a triangle. Area of one triangular tile. What is the formula? Heron's formula? S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. S value 36 into 36 minus 9, 36 minus 28 into 36 minus 35. So, apply the values. The first value is 36. 36 minus 9, the value is actually 27. 36 minus 28, 8. 36 minus 35, 1. Now, split the value. We get the value actually 36, 6 into 6. And another one is 27. No, how can we split that? 3 into 3 into 3. Another one 8. So, we have to split the value 2 into 2 into 2. Apply the square root also. We have to take the value 6 square na. Easily we have to take out of the square root 6. 2 3s we are having, no. So, we take the value 3 also. 2 2 we are having, so 2. Another one balance answer 6. So, what is the value? 6 3s are 18. 18 2s are 36. So, 36 root 6. Area is equal to 36 root 6. Apply the root 6 value, that is 2.45. So, multiply the value, we get the answer 88.2 centimeter square. Actually, this is area of one triangular tile. We need 16 tiles area, no. So, area of 16 tiles is equal to 16 into 88.2. So, we just multiply the value. Actually, the answer is 1411.2 centimeter square. This is actually area of 16 tiles. What is given? Cost of polishing is given, no. Cost of polishing of one tile is equal to 50 paise, that is given. We just convert this value into rupee, so that is half rupee. Okay. Finally, we have to calculate total cost of polishing 16 tiles is equal to rupees half into 16 into 88.2. So, we just cancel these two values. 2 ones are 2 8s are. So, 8 into 88.2. So, the answer is 705.60. So, the total cost of polishing 16 tiles is 705 rupees 60 paise. Next problem. A field is in the shape of a trapezium whose parallel sides are 25 meter and 10 meter. The non-parallel sides are 14 meter and 13 meter. Find the area of the field. What is given? One trapezium shape field is given. That is, trapezium is ABCD. The parallel side values are also mentioned. and non-parallel side values are also mentioned. What is that? ABCD is a trapezium, CD value 10 and the AB value 25, AD value 13, BC value 14. We have to calculate the area of this field. So what is the area of a trapezium formula? Half into H into A plus B. So we need a height, no. We just draw one line, that is the perpendicular line. This line CG is perpendicular to AB. So you just another one line also make, that is CF. This CF line is parallel to AD. This is look like one parallelogram. So AFCD is actually a parallelogram. So what is the CF value? CF is equal to DA value. This is 13, this value also 13. So CD is parallel to AF. So CD 10 meter means AF also 10 meter. So easily we have to calculate the BF value, that is 15 meter. So first we calculate the area of a triangle BFC. Then we just equate the value with this. Easily we calculate the area of a trapezium. First write the given dimensions of the trapezium are shown in the figure. Okay, actually a line CF is what is that? Parallel to DA, and another one CG is perpendicular to AB. Another one, since DA is parallel to CF. Okay, and DC is parallel to AF. Now you just see this AFCD is a parallelogram. AFCD is a parallelogram. So take the value. CF value is 10. AD 13 means CF also 13. So CF equal to DA equal to 13 meter. And another one, CD value 10, no. So AF value also 10. CD is equal to AF equal to 10 meter. So what about BF? Easily we have to calculate the BF value. Actually BF is equal to whole AB minus AF. So AB value is 25, AF value is 10. So 25 minus 10, that is 15 meter. So we calculate this value, this is 15 meter. Now we calculate the area of a triangle, this triangle BFC. For triangle BFC, we just take the value. A value is 1 value is 14 meter, another one value B value is 13 meter, another one value C value is 15 meter. This one is A, this one is B, and this one is C. Okay, we know ABC values, no. So easily we have to calculate the semi-perimeter. S is equal to A plus B plus C divided by 2. So 14 plus 13 plus 15 by 2. Add the values. What is the answer? Actually 42. 42 by 2. So it is 21 meter. Okay. Side value we calculated. Here using Heron's formula we calculate area of triangle BCF. So what is the Heron's formula? S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. In this time we apply normal triangle formula. What is the triangle formula? That is half into base into height. Here the base value is BF and the height value is CG is equal to apply the right hand side value. That is what is the value? S value 21, 21 minus 14 into 21 minus 13 into 21 minus 15. So we get the value 21 into 21 minus 14, that is 7. Another one 21 minus 13. What is the value? That is 8. 21 minus 15, that is 6. Again split the value 21, 3 into 7. Into 7. Into, how can we split the value? 8. That is 4 into 2. 6, we have to split 2 into 3. Now 7 square value, so we take the value 7 out of the square root. Another one is 4, another one is 3. So what is the value actually? The final answer is actually 84. 7 4s are 28, 28 3s are 84. In left hand side also we just apply the value half into BF into CG. No. So what is the value? Half into the base value is actually BF value is 15. We don't know the CG value, but we have to calculate the CG value. So CG is equal to 84 into 2 divided by 15. That is 168 by 15. So divide the value, that is 11.2 meter. So CG value is 11.2 meter. This is actually height only. Okay. So area of a trapezium ABCD is equal to, what is the formula? Half into H into A plus B. So here the height value is 11.2 and the AB values are 25 and 10. So apply it. Half into 11.2 into A value is 25, B value is 10. So using this we just cancel the value. We get the answer 35 into 5.6. Multiply the value, that is 196 meter square. So area of a trapezium ABCD is equal to 196 meter square.